Hi, I'm Jane Gates. I'm the owner and the landscape designer for Gates & Croft Horticultural Design, and I'm also an author of All the Gardens a Stage. On the other hand, I'm here to tell you about something totally different. We're going to talk about pinching techniques for plants. In other words, how to pinch them so that they bush out better. And that's the reason that you want to pinch your plants. Basically, most plants, if left alone, will grow up in one straight little line with their little leaves all lined up and maybe blossom at the top. But there are a lot of plants that you really want to grow bushy. You want them to grow side shoots, whether they're roses or basil or anything in between, that you want a nice full look. And so what you want to do is you want to pinch the new growth right out of the tip. What that happens, when you do that, you take off the very youngest leaves at the tip. And that's the growth shoot. And it goes, oh my gosh, I can't grow. What am I going to do? So it sends out arms and legs and lots of nice branches on it. And that's how you get your plant to branch. I've got some basil here, and I'm just going to show you what I mean. If you look at this basil carefully, you'll see, well, here are a couple of them, and they pretty much have a nice straight growth. And all you're going to get is one little shoot with a few leaves. And you want a lot of basil leaves because they're good and they're great to use in your cooking and fresh. So I'm going to go over here and show you another plant that really, well, these need to be pinched out. First of all, I'm going to skip that one. I'm going to come back to it though. Pinch these out, and you can see I just take the very tips of my fingers, pinch them out neatly, and it doesn't look like it hurts too much, and it will grow out side shoots. Now I'm going to take you over to take a look at this plant over here, which I only did about a week ago. And look at the great growth on it. It's growing out nice and full, and you can see the side shoots are making it nice and round. I can pinch this again in another few weeks if any of the side shoots start getting long and lanky, and it will get even fuller. And that is why you pinch plants, and this is the pinching technique you use, and then you'll get a nice, full, happy, shrubby plant.